Today I would like to speak a few words on the importance of music in a student's life. Music is not just entertainment, it is a powerful tool that helps students grow mentally, emotionally and even academically. In our busy lives filled with studies, exams and responsibilities, music acts as a stress reliever. It helps us relax, improves our moods and refreshes our mind. Listening to or learning music also improves concentration and memory. Many students find that soft music helps them focus better while studying. It is also a boost for creativity and self-expression, allowing students to express feelings that words sometimes cannot. So music is not just a hobby, it is an important part of a balanced and happy student life. Now to experience the magic of music ourselves, let's move on to a wonderful musical performance.